After the load was finished, the next thing on the list was resupplying the ship. From Ald's Cove, Halifax was only a day's transit. From the storm the night before, with the spray and the freezing temperatures, it left about 2 inches of ice all over the forward part of the ship. All right. We just got to Halifax. The only thing we're doing here is we're just loading a bunch of stores. So, everything for the island we're gonna need, because we're gonna be down there for so long. The discharge is like anywhere from a month to 2 months. So we're getting a bunch of food, a bunch of deck and engine supplies, and everything else we're gonna need for the island. So that's all today is just loading stores. We're not even going in the port. We're dropping the hook, and barge is gonna come up. We're gonna crane lift everything, and all day today is just put everything away. So yeah, another long day, but hopefully after today, everything's gonna calm down a little bit. Just nice transit sea watches after today, hopefully. But yeah, let's do stores. Everything on the barge was coming off. It was all ours. And there's no fast way to do stores. One lift at a time, one pallet at a time. As tired as the crew was, we all kind of rallied together to get the job done. And that's the beauty about stores, is it's not one department's job. It's the grocery list for the whole ship. Every department's getting a little something, so we all work together to get the job done. I seriously think it's only stores where the whole ship works together. Every department. The deckies, the engineers, the stewards department, licensed, unlicensed, officer, whatever, it doesn't matter. I don't think there's any other task that brings us all together like stores. There's always a level of excitement too, seeing what came on board, what new toys we have, what food we're going to be able to eat. It's a funny thing seeing how excited some guys get over some duct tape, strawberries, and some ice cream. We were going to be getting rid of all the trash as well. Out with the old, in with the new. After another long day, finished stores. Pretty much. So we're securing for sea, picking up the pilot in a little bit, and getting out of here. Next stop is Canary Islands. If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to support the channel, please consider liking, subscribing, or sharing the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.